एलो 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 जी सनम हम आ गए आज फिर दिल लेके।
Everybody come welcome, welcome to the Christmas party. Welcome, welcome. There's another one for everyone. Welcome, welcome, welcome.
Today, we bring to life a vibrant contrast between the simplicity and traditions of the old era and the innovations and dynamism of the new era. Both are rich in lessons and values, one teaching us about heritage and perseverance, the other inspiring progress and adaptability. So sit back and enjoy as we present a lively skit and musical extravaganza, exploring the essence of the old and new generations, their differences, their similarities, and how they come together to shape the world we live in today. We'll see how the old and new generations look at life through different lenses, but at the end, they might find a few things in common. So let's welcome the rising stars who are presenting the wonderful and inspirational skit. The generations meet then and now. Let's begin our journey through time.
Long ago, joy wasn't measured by gadgets or screens, but by laughter in open fields and the sound of sticks and spinning tops.
These are the best game ever. Nothing can beat the thrill of hitting the gilly perfectly and seeing your lattu spin the longest.
Praful, revive!
I am coming, wait.
Enemies are there.
I saw the squad as there. Wait.
Come fast.
Wait, I am coming.
Yay! I won a level!
Which level?
55!
Still I am in 49 level.
You are still there. I am in 59.
Hey bro, the new version of Free Fire is uploaded.
Really? Wow! Hey, come on, let's take a selfie. I'll post it on Instagram.
Tag me, bro!
Tag me, bro.
Tag me 3.
Tag me 4 bro.
Why waste of time running around and play with those simple boring games which you call gilli danda and lattu? Now we can win battles sitting right here with the help of simple gadget called phone. Do you know how many games I can play within a blink of time without roaming like you people?
इसमें कितना है दम जम के रखना कदम मेरे साथिया आ देखे जरा इसमें कितना है दम जम के रखना कदम मेरे साथिया आ देखे जरा।
పొలం గట్టు దుమ్ములోన పోట్ల గిత్త దూకినట్టు పొలేరమ్మ జాతరలో పోతరాజు ఊగినట్టు కిర్రు చెప్పులేసుకొని కర్ర సాము చేసినట్టు మర్రి చెట్టు నీడలోన కుర్ర గుంపు కూడినట్టు ఎర్ర జొన్న రొట్టెలోన మిరప తొక్కు కలిపినట్టు నా పాట చూడు నా పాట చూడు నా పాట చూడు నాటు 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 వీర నాటు 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 ఊర నాటు 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 పచ్చి మిరపలాగా నాటు 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 పిచ్చు కత్తిలాగా వెర్రి నాటు.
Earlier, music once spoke the language of the soul, soothing and serene. But today, it roars with energy, a dhammaka that sets hearts racing.
मिले सुर मेरा तुम्हारा तो सुर बने हमारा. Such a melodious song. This song was enough to unite us and lift our spirits after a long day. Music was a celebration of life. This music that truly touches the soul. This song brings back memories.
Memories? Your old boring songs. Music has evolved. It's no longer just a tradition, it's a vibe, it's a trend, it's a statement. Now music means full of life, upbeat, fun and dhamaka.
In my day, music was gentle. It told stories and had depth, not like today's loud beats.
Why not give it a try? Let's have your era versus my era song and dance competition. A friendly battle between generations. Timeless melodies and moves of the past against the energetic beats and the styles of today. Each era will bring its unique charm to the stage, highlighting the strengths and the vibes of its generation. And to make it even more exciting, it's a perfect opportunity to celebrate the magic of music and dance while bridging the gap between generations. Let's see which era steals the spotlight, and Grandpa will be our ultimate judge.
Why not? Let's give it a try.
जिंदगी एक सफर है सुहाना, यहाँ कल क्या हो किसने जाना. जिंदगी एक सफर है सुहाना, यहाँ कल क्या हो किसने जाना. हाँ, जिंदगी एक सफर है सुहाना, यहाँ कल क्या हो किसने जाना. अरे ओडले ओडले ओ, 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 ओडले ओडले ओ.
ಶಕ್ತಿಮಾನು ಛೋಟ ಭೀಮು ನಿನ್ನ ಹಾಗೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಟು ಸೇಮು. ಸೂಪರ್ ಮ್ಯಾನು ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾನು ನೀನೆ ನಮಗೆ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಮ್ಯಾನು.
ಅಪ್ಪ ಜೇನ್ಸು ಬಾಂಡು ಮಗ ಅಣ್ಣ ಬಾಂಡು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡು ಸೌಂಡು ಬಂದ ಕಾಶ್ನೂರ್ ಗಂಡು.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, we all love you, our star.
Dance, 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 dance.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 star, we all love you, our star.
Dance, 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 dance.
Earlier, letters were cherished as timeless proof of heartfelt emotions. Now, modern technology trades that warmth for instant convenience.
What's that device in the hand all the time?
It's my phone, Grandpa. I can text, watch videos, even order food instantly.
But back then, we had letters. We waited patiently for letters to arrive and cherished every word. In reply, we wrote down our thoughts and wait for a response. We learned how to be patient.
Patience? वो क्या चीज है? Well, now everything is faster, Grandpa. Who has that long time to wait and patience? Hey bro, what's up? What are you talking about? Nothing, dude. My grandpa was talking about letters and all. Now who has that long time to write letters and wait for the response?
Instant replies, instant everything. But I get it. Waiting for something can also be special. Now we don't just talk. We share our lives instantly. Pictures, videos and even live moments.
In our time, we used to wait eagerly for a response like this.
which really made us attached to our near and dear ones.
बाहर आ जाओ सब लोग, सबके घर से संदेशा आया है।
संदेशे आते हैं हमें तड़पाते हैं, तो चिट्ठी आती है तो पूछे जाती है कि घर कब आओगे, कि घर कब आओगे, लिखो कब आओगे, कि तुम बिन ये घर सुना सुना है। Engage.
In the old era, elders were the cornerstone of wisdom and guidance, cherished with unwavering respect and dedicated time. Today, while their value is acknowledged, the fast-paced modern world often leaves little room to truly honor their presence.
What is this, Grandpa?
Dear, this is the way to show our respect towards our elders. Although time has changed, but there's one thing our generation holds: respect, gratitude, and living with values. We always respect our morals, ethics, elders, and culture. In our time, respect wasn't just shown, it was lived. We learned life's greatest lessons from our elders.
Grandpa, in this new generation, we do value the things which you just said now. But we also love to explore, try new things, and break few boundaries. We respect our elders. But life is just too busy now.
Times may change, but love and respect are timeless. A few moments with each other can create memories that last forever. We should never forget where we come from and should carry forward the best of both worlds to live our tradition, culture, and ethics, always with the future.
Yes, Grandpa, we need to learn many things from others, but when the matter comes for culture, value, and ethics, we should always be with our own tradition and culture. Now, it is decided, we will follow our old generation, tradition, and culture.
Perhaps you're right, but why not find a balance? Embrace your modern technology, gadgets, and style. There is so much to celebrate in today's advancement. However, don't lose sight of the value of our customs, rituals, tradition, and above all, respect for elders. New technology can indeed lead us to greater prosperity, and development is the need of the hour. But it's our cultural roots and timeless value that ground us and give meaning to our progress. Let's find strength in both, moving forward with innovation while cherishing the tradition that defines us.
I understand now. Grandpa, we should never forget our roots. So, it is decided. You will share your wisdom and I'll bring the energy and modern technology for you to enjoy. So, Grandpa, can we make a reel together?
Why not? Just don't make me dance.
However advanced we are, whatever technology we aspire for each and every day, but our legacy can never be left behind to achieve success. Now, the old generation and new generation are united and coming to show their Josh by showcasing their united performance. Keep a big round of applause for the generations now and then together on the stage.
तू ही तो जन्नत मेरी, तू ही मेरा जुनून, तू ही तो मन्नत मेरी, तू ही रूह का सुकून, तू ही अखियों की ठंडक, तू ही दिल की है दस्तक। और कुछ ना जानू मैं, बस इतना ही जानू, तुझ में रब दिखता है यारा, मैं क्या करूं। तुझ में रब दिखता है यारा, मैं क्या करूं। सजदे सर झुकता है यारा, मैं क्या करूं। तुझ में रब दिखता है यारा, मैं क्या करूं।
beautifully captured the contrast between the old generation and the new, showcasing the wisdom of the past and the innovation of the present. Through humor, emotion, and meaningful dialogues, the performers reminded us of the importance of bridging the gap between generations.